The urban forest is all the trees in the city, but we cannot avoid also taking a bit of an ecosystem view of that. Nova Scotia Power would love every tree to max out at 8 meters, and then they won't reach the power lines, but that's not going to happen. And when they were put in, they would have been, a meter tall. This could have been 50 years ago, maybe when the house was built. And I think that is just an adorable micro row of white pine trees. I do like lines of trees, although straight lines are boring. But the best for me is when trees are in a proper two-dimensional array so that you have a copse if it's small or a stand. Very good. Thanks for co-organizing, Catherine. And don't feel bashful about emailing me. Now, your question?
No, I was